smoother gameplay and higher FPS. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your Windows PC for gaming like a pro. Let's get started, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more gaming tips. Begin by searching for the registry editor and running it as an administrator. Once open, navigate to HK Local Machine and expand its drop-down menu. Within this section, locate and open the software folder, then proceed to the Microsoft subfolder. From there, explore the Windows NT directory, and within it, locate the Multimedia folder. Expand this directory and navigate to System Profile. Inside System Profile, find and expand the Task folder followed by opening the Games folder. Here you'll encounter various settings to configure. First, identify the affinity setting. Change its value data to F, ensure the base is set to hexadecimal, and confirm by clicking OK. Next, locate background only, set its value to false, and confirm the change. Move on to GPU priority, modify its value data to E, verify that the base remains hexadecimal, and save the change by clicking OK. For the priority setting, adjust the value data to 6 and confirm. Finally, set both scheduling category and FSO priority to high, ensuring to confirm each adjustment. Implementing these changes directs your system to allocate resources more efficiently for gaming, leading to smoother and more responsive performance. Now press Windows+I on your keyboard to open the settings menu. Navigate to System Settings, then proceed to Display Settings. In the Display Settings, set the scale layout to 100% recommended. Next, go to Notifications and Actions and turn off all notifications. For Focus Assist, set it to off for optimal performance. You can choose priority only, but off is the best option. Move to Power and Sleep Settings, and under Additional Power Settings, select High Performance. Click Change Plan Settings and set both Turn Off Display and put the computer to sleep to never. Then, click Change Advanced Power Settings. Set the hard disk timer to 0 and adjust the minimum and maximum processor state under Processor Power Management to 100%. Apply these changes and click OK. Now under Storage Settings, click Temporary Files and select all available options. These are temporary files, check all boxes, and click Remove Files to clear the junk. Next, go to Multitasking and turn off Snap Windows and Timeline Suggestions. Then, navigate to Shared Experiences and disable it. In Remote Desktop Settings, ensure Remote Desktop is turned off. Return to the Settings. Home menu, select Apps, and open Startup Settings. Disable all unnecessary startup applications as they can significantly slow down your boot time. Move to the Gaming section and disable the Game Bar. Uncheck the option to allow your controller to open the Game Bar. Go to Game Mode and ensure it is enabled for better gaming performance. Next, head to Privacy Settings and disable all general privacy options. Scroll down to Background Applications and disable them all to prevent background processes from slowing down your system. Now, navigate to Update and Security. Click Check for updates to find and install the latest Windows updates. For the next step, search for Core Isolation in the Windows search bar and open it. Disable Core Isolation for a smoother experience. Then search for Adjust for performance in the Windows search bar. Open the settings and select Adjust for best performance. Enable the following options: Peak, Show Shadows under Windows, Show Thumbnails instead of icons, and Smooth Edges of screen fonts. Apply these changes and click OK. Now for the next step, open the Windows search bar, type Services and press Enter. In the Services window, press the W key to quickly locate Wallet Services. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. Under the Startup Type section, set it to Disable. This adjustment helps reduce background processes while gaming. Click Apply to save the changes and you're done. Now in the next step, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Once it opens, you'll see the Device Manager interface. Under this menu, locate Network Adapters and click the drop-down arrow to expand the options. Right-click on your network adapter, driver, and select Update Driver to ensure it's updated to the latest version. Next, find Display Adapters in the list and expand its drop-down menu. Select your GPU driver, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver to update your display driver. Once both updates are completed, you're all set. Press Windows, type Disk Cleanup, and press Enter. In the Disk Cleanup window, select the drive where Windows is installed, usually the C drive, and click OK. Once the cleanup options appear, check all the available boxes to select all the junk files. Finally, click OK to delete these unnecessary files and free up space on your Windows drive. Now guys, for the next step, open the search bar, again type System Configuration, and select it from the results. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. In the Advanced Settings, select the highest number of processors available for your PC. Once selected, click OK, then Apply and close the window. Finally, restart your PC to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gamers.